This is Kerwin and I'm at the Trevi fountain in Rome. And apparently they've cleaned it. It's extremely clean in Italia. Nice to see you. So hopefully I'm running out of batteries, so we'll see how it goes. But I'm at the Trevi fountain and as you can see there's a ton of people here. So I'm going to walk around a little bit. And also, this is a food scope, so I'm showing you different food. People eating pizza. This gentleman is selling walnuts, or chestnuts, I think it is. They're roasting on an open fire. It's not cold enough, though. So, looks like they're €5, and he sells them in this little container. That's there. He's got his coal set up to roast them. But yeah, so that's it's chestnuts on the streets of Italy. He's got his coal, got the chestnuts, and a little package that he sells them in. And over here, oh good, someone's gonna buy one so you can see how it works. So how is everyone and where's everyone from? Let's see. So they're gonna get 2 maybe. But the guy, like, he doesn't really care. He's just like, yeah, whatever. So let's, I don't think they're chestnuts. Maybe they are. I'm not sure what they are. But let's see. They're trying to negotiate something. Thank you for those hearts. I appreciate those. So here's a hammer. So I guess there must be chestnuts. Does anyone know what those are? Oh, they're acorns. I guess I only got one. That's it. Hey, my big fat mom. How are you? I'm here at the Trevi fountain. And of course, everyone's taking pictures here at the Trevi fountain. What do you do in Italy? Hey, Yanchik. I'm just visiting a friend here, so I'm in Rome and I'm just hanging out. So I thought I'd come by and show you all the different sites. If I'm ever coming back to the US, yeah, but I don't know when yet. I don't know my travels, I just do stuff randomly. So there's lots of people doing selfie stuff here. That guy looks like Alex, but it's not. But seagulls are flying around. If you like the scene, please give me some hearts. But someone said it was all like maybe a year or 2 ago. It was not that clean, and it does certainly looks very clean. Yeah, it's extremely clean. Yeah, there's a lot of people here. A lot of people. Now, when you travel in these crowded situations, you always have to be cognizant of pickpockets. Because people will pick your pockets just because you're standing around. So you always have to be cognizant of that. Thank you guys for the hearts. I appreciate those. And these folks are trying to take a picture. That's the picture they're trying to take. Yes, it's definitely cleaner, which is good. It's such a beautiful sight. And I guess it's probably what it looks like when they made it, except the statues might have been in color, because I think the statues lose the color over time. But it's definitely a tourist attraction. This guy's having an Italian pizza. And because it's also a food scope as well, right? Because what I found is that everything I do here involves food. Ciao, ciao, my big fat mouth. I love your name. And thank you for stopping in. I appreciate it. Thank you for the hearts. I love those. So if you want to follow me, swipe up on Android, swipe left to right on iOS, and just follow a broadcaster, which is me. And then if you want to share it with your fans, and they can watch it, or watch it now, watch it later. And also give me some hearts. Double tap on your screen, and that will give me hearts. So this is Kerwin. I am at the Trevi fountain, and there's a ton of people here. I should try to get closer. I'm gonna try to get closer. Be back. Trying to get closer and closer and closer. But there's so many people here. Everybody wants to get a picture. Selfie and selfie sticks are everywhere. Ah, well, they've totally cleaned it now. So there you go. This is the Trevi fountain. And all these people are here. They're throwing in coins. They're making a wish. The birds are having a good time. Somebody has an extra battery pack. My extra battery pack has already died because this morning I went out to the where did I go this morning? I went to the Sistine Chapel and St. Peter's Basilica. But sorry. But thank you guys for watching. I'm running out of battery, so I'm going to cut the scope short. But I wanted to give you guys a taste of the Trevi fountain with like all these people here. So if you're just joining, I started a Trevi fountain. This is a food scope, although I didn't find too much food here. There was a guy having walnuts, I think, earlier. But there's a lot of people here. Just a ton of people here. I know, the birds taking a bath is awesome. No need to do a fake bird bath. I guess those are seagulls, right? But it's brilliant. Thank you for the hearts. I appreciate those. Lots of people doing selfie and doing all the crazy hand stuff. Let me go photobomb someone's selfie. It's fixed. It went last October and they were relating it. Expensive bird bath. Yes, it is. But, you know, but if anyone can do it, the bird can. And I just like photobomb someone. Photobomb again. I just photobombed her. People are so funny here. I mean, seriously, just check it out. Everyone has a camera. Every single person has a camera. It's nuts. There's a selfie action going on there. Normal photos. Anyway. Alright guys, talk to y'all later. Thanks for the hearts. Don't forget to follow me. This is Kerwin with FastRider.com and CruisinOnTo.com. Please give me some hearts. I think I'm a little over 50,000. So thank you very, very much for that. And keep going.